So how can you document photos on the iPhone? Let me talk about it and guide you through it. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you that way you never miss anything important. So the document photos, if that's the thing that you mean, you probably just want to make sure you move the photos and like photos, videos, whatever, from the gallery, the built-in place, to the documents app, which is the Files app. And if that's the thing you wanted to do, you can always open up any pictures within the gallery, click on the share, and you have the ability to click on a save to files. So this gives you the ability to just decide the location. I usually go with the local storage, which is called on my iPhone. I can perhaps create a brand new folder for it, and in there I literally just save it, no problem with that. And that's kind of how I can put my photos all together, right? But if you just want to do something a bit different, like in the sense of documenting your photos, keeping track of them or whatever, I would personally recommend you to use the Google Photos, which is actually a great app or a great service. I use it personally myself to back up my pictures, but not only that, I also get to document my images and kind of like sort them by categories, places, time, and all of the different things, right? Obviously, you have some similar features in the built-in Photos app as well, but this is, in my opinion, a little bit better. So share your thoughts below. Let me know what you think. If there is something completely different which you had in mind by documenting the photos on the iPhone, let me know about it. But that's it from me. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.